Hello everyone. So today's video is about designing a digital wedding card, basically an e-invite. So when you open your new file, make the size of the document 1920 into 1080 pixels, then name your file whatever you want and make the color mode in RGB and click OK. I've already chosen a simple light background for my invite and I'm gonna align it. Now I'm going to type the text of my invitation and start making a basic layout. I'm using Fontaine font and I'm coloring the text white, but you can use any kind of other font of your choice and you can experiment with anything as long as it looks good. I made a rounded corner box and I'm gonna place the date, venue and timing of my invitation on this white box. Now I'm coloring the text gray and I'm trying to make this card as simple and elegant as possible. Now I'm gonna add some basic elements to it. You can add any design elements you like if you think they will make your design more appealing. For now, I'm adding a simple line between the day and the timing. Now I'm going to add a vector ring to my invitation that I downloaded from freepik.com. It's a great site to download any vectors, photos or any kind of graphic elements. At last, I'm adding a sleek ornamental element at the bottom to make this e-invite look a little more elegant. Now I'm thinking of adding some flowers. You can choose any kind of flowers or any kind of decorative wedding elements that will make your card more appealing. Now I'm gonna arrange this all properly so that it looks balanced. Now the last step is to press Ctrl A and select all the objects and press Ctrl G to group them. And I'm gonna clip this invite into a box of the same size as our invitation. Now select the both things and right click and select make clipping mask. So this was the whole process of making a really simple and basic invite. You can experiment with the design according to your taste and preferences. Thanks for watching.